I am telling you guys, brothers, sisters, everybody that's listening here, you have to memorize Quran in Ramadan. If you've been lazy, stop it. Get started. I don't care if you do 2 ayat. I don't care if you do 2 pages. Set your goals high. وَمَنْ يَتَهَيَّبْ صُعُودَ الْجِبَالِ يَعِشَ بَيْنَ الدَّهْرِ بَيْنَ الْحُفَرِ. Aim high. Aim high. Say, I'm going to memorize a whole juz this month. I'm going to memorize 20 pages. I'm going to memorize 10 pages. I'm going to finish the entire, juz amma or something. Aim high, even if you don't finish. But put yourself in that position. When somebody tries to memorize the Quran, you go to Fajr at the masjid, and you decide you're going to stay back a couple of hours and you're just going to sit there, or maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and you're just going to memorize Quran. I can tell you that is one of the most sincere acts of ibadah you will ever do in your life. Because you're not memorizing Quran to show off to anybody else. When you memorize Quran, the only one who will know is who? You. Unless you have the problem, you go over, hey, by the way, I know Surah Al-Ghashiyah. So, if you have that problem, then see me later. Other than that, if you're memorizing Quran, who is it for? Yourself. And you're spending so much time on every ayah. And every time you repeat it, the angels are writing it down. Because when you memorize, don't you have to repeat yourself? Every time you repeat yourself, the angels are writing it down. Every time. It's not 1 time for you, it's 10 times for you. 20 times for you per ayah. The barakat of the Quran are entering into your life. This is what we have to do when it comes to Ramadan.
لكم تزدهي أحرفي والجمل بقاعة زهر وفرحة عمر وسعد أطل